Hello, my name is Chen Wei Chen, and I'm a current master student of Instructional Design and Technology at Purdue University. You are now watching an instructional video I made by using a software called mindmeister. mindmeister is a web-based mind map software that allows you to visualize your ideas, and it also allows you to add images, links, or videos in your map. Through the software, you can directly convert your map to presentation slides. Now, I'm going to show you presentation slide I made for this class, Foundation of Learning Design and Technology. So let's get started. So today we are going to talk about instructional design and technology, the definition and history. This slide also shows you the assignment due date, which appears here. And when you click on the note icon on the right side, you are going to see the purpose of today's lesson. This map is written for the presentation of EDCI 51300. The presentation content demonstrates my understanding about the changing field of LTD and its history. And this check icon show you my priority as a first, and I already complete this assignment for 100%. Due date is May 31 and assigned to me, Chen Wei Chen. Okay, let's go to the next slide. For the next slide, it shows a brief history of instructional design with a web link in the middle. You see an image upload from my desktop, and please click on the arrow icon here. And the link directly connect you to a web page. It shows different ideas about instructional design in different eras, from mid-1950 to 2010. Okay, let's go back to our slides and go to next. So for this part, you are going to see a slide that includes a video from YouTube, and it talks about the profession of instructional designer. Let's take a look at it now, and you can enlarge the screen as well. That's what I'm doing now.
What does an instructional designer do? This is an important question. In the corporate world, in higher education, in the military, a lot of people end up working with an instructional designer, and it's important to know what an instructional designer does. So in this presentation, I'll kind of talk about the processes and the tools that an instructional designer uses as they create instructional materials. So first of all, an instructional designer designs instruction. So here's our instructional designer here. His goal is to create instructional materials. But he uses specific tools to do that. And there are two different types. The first are abstract tools, okay, and the second is physical tools. And we'll talk about what each of these different types.
Since this is a demo presentation, I'm not going to complete showing the YouTube video. So I'm going to continue to show my slides. From the next slide to the end, you will see an outline of my definition regarding instructional design and technology through the perspectives of media, the process of development, ethics, implementation, and assessment. Let's take a look. So in this slide, you see my definition of media through different ages and the different focuses. Let's go next. In this slide, show the process of development required for instructional design. There are two different kinds of thinking. One is the systematic approach. Another one is alternative approaches. For example, the constructivist approach. Let's go next. So as for ethics, it's based on AECT's Code of Professional Ethics, and it has regulation in regards to individual social and professional conduct of ethics. Next. So for the slide of implementation, you are going to see when you are implement at work, the purpose is to improve learning and performance of learner in various settings, and you should consider about learner-based instruction, and possible method is PBL, which is project-based learning, and also differential learning. And we talk about different ID models here. And the final slide talk about assessment and evaluation in regards to instructional design. So you can see the purpose of assessment is for the program efficiency, and the indicators we can take a look at is learning outcomes, level of difficulty, and level of engagement of students. And there are two different types of assessment tool. One is formative, another one is summative. Okay, so this is the end of my demo. Hope you love what you are watching. Once again, thank you for your time, and please let me know if you have any suggestion. Mahalo.